Sup guys, Taco Tuesday is an hour's admin abuse video will be posted after admin abuse. Also thanks for 10 subscribers and 7,000 views. Sammy's base was mid, but I got to Chickeltras very long admin abuse and the 67 and La Grande was aura farming. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. Peace. Thank you.